So today's question is, what is the biggest side effect of metformin? All right, folks, well, metformin is a drug used for type 2 diabetes to lower your sugar when it's too high. The main side effect, the most common side effect by far, in about 20% of users would be diarrhea. That is usually the main deal breaker in my patients that I have to take off of metformin, is they just couldn't handle the torrential diarrhea. But good news, folks. If you're able to tolerate it and you take it long enough, eventually your gut learns to ignore it and the diarrhea will stop. A simple way you can get to that point is simply by lowering the dose. So, for example, breaking it in half, and instead of taking it with each meal 3 or 4 times per day, just start it with the night dose or the morning dose. And as you tolerate that, then try to escalate it to twice a day and then 3 times a day. And if you needed to, 4 times a day. If that doesn't work for you guys, then you're going to have to go back to your prescriber and the two of you work together to think of an alternative. Because there's lots of other medications you can also use to lower blood sugar in diabetics. However, the beauty of metformin is it's effective, safe, relatively, inexpensive. And one of the big ones is it doesn't tend to cause hypoglycemic, low blood sugar drops that might make you pass out, faint, etc. But there's still other ones that can also do that. For example, another one you might want to look into is Forxiga, for example. So anyway, guys, that's the biggest side effect of metformin. You're welcome.